pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Oni Manju demon bun. For this I'm using 245 grams of sweet potato or yam, 110 grams of self-raising flour, 60 grams of sugar and 2-3 tablespoons of water. First I'm going to cut the sweet potato into 1 centimeter cubes. Now I'm going to soak them in water for 10 minutes to remove any bitterness. 10 minutes. Mix the sugar and flour together. Now add the drained sweet potato. Coat all the pieces with the flour and the sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of water. And mix until there's no dry flour left. You might need 3 tablespoons of water. I certainly do. All the flour has been absorbed. Now put the batter onto squares of grease-proof paper. Like so. Now steam them for 15 minutes. And now for the taste test. Did I make them properly? I'm about to find out. These are my eating chopsticks as opposed to my pointing chopsticks. Am I any good with chopsticks? Quite tasty. I'll say they're comforting for an autumn afternoon. I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so.